night, ladies and gentlemen. And you call me a long time, but to me, it's a pretty boy Floyde in the house. I know me never in the house, so I don't know. Now, cut the music, man. Alright, I found me stand up with up and in the house, which by use me passing to in the house. Alright, folks, as we're here to celebrate life, just want to bless up everybody that is here tonight, and of course, thank Chris for this opportunity. It has been about from 2015. I've not been to this island, so it's good to be back. And just for the records, if there's any Jamaicans here, and you have relatives back home in Jamaica, I am here to assist you. I'll be leaving on Sunday. So if you have any intention of sending money back home, you don't necessarily have to use Jane at this time of the night. Jane is very reliable, but at this time they don't work. Alright? So what you're going to do for me is just, I prefer the US. See, I don't really work down there. So just put it into an envelope with a family name and phone number on it, and I'll take it to them.
Yes, sir.
But most importantly, tell them, don't call me, I will call them. And you have some Jamaicans and say, even though I like a Cayman here come from, the minute the plane land, and you turn on your phone, then they pan, hello, you're not reach yet. What do you Cayman for care work for them? They can have a shop over Cayman. They go take up one slice of cheese to them and have to put it back down. And so, I only live over here, so. I went down, no, so nothing now go on to Jamaica. I never know, so Jamaica, they sell mixed flour still.
Okay.
If you can go in any little shop in Jamaica, not the supermarket, and get a little mixed flour, get in a mackerel.
Yes.
You understand me? So me now run left. Me now run left Jamaica. No matter what I go on the Jamaica, my place. Alright? So I'm looking forward to see you on Saturday in the day. And of course, we're gonna praise God in the night, because I want to know about Jamaicans. We have the most church per square mile. And of course, to every church, Pastor, you say it. I'm glad that you say it. I never miss it. Where you say it? What?
I know me, I know.
Are you man? Are you vice president? You're preaching, you know? And the rum bar. But that's just the reality of Jamaica, alright? So, looking forward to see you all on Saturday. And so, my partner in business.
Why you the
You come here, just mess up your clothes already, my general. Alright.
How white, you know?
Good evening.
Good night.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
You have to tell the people you know run with talk for yourself. You can't. Hello, please, don't cut the cake so big. I'm not forward.
Yes, so some people like cake. People don't like cake. Put
Some, not everybody. So down in there. And Pastor, you have a piece of advice to me think of Barry White Road there. Open your mouth when you attack, man. You attack like hot food in there. Well, I have a nice time Saturday, so.
And that time I'm thinking constipated.
A food in our mouth.
Well, I'll tell you. So Durrant, by the way. Same birthday now, can I?
So Durrant, what you call you up your eye, brother?
Chris!
Well, I just want to say happy birthday to you, and really you make me come up here and show me the food free. I'm just say, alright, I do well with a piece of cake and a fish. So I realize I'm going to come out and van straight around my kitchen.
Make me cake, man.
Oh, yeah, eat cake.
Yeah, me cake.
Such a big piece, there is too much mine and sugar.
No, man. We don't deal with sugar too.
You don't have sugar?
No.
How about that? Fresh cake?
Yeah, vegetarian cake.
Oh, yeah, vegetarian cake.
A fresh sweet cake.
Fresh sweet cake, alright. Saturday will be the day. It's when I love to not care about people, say, man. Only when you leave this big floodlight that people face and burn you up, you bleach, man. That's fine. So, Friday, you don't talk to them? I don't want the festival calling.
Yeah, I mean, we just have to give Chris some strength.
Yes.
And what Chris said is when you came to Jamaica, people will tell you how I got here. I know, you're just simple saying. I was at a function in Kingston, and Mr. Durrant came at that function. You know, smell use proper English. Came at the function
Came.
and saw me, and then I never knew that he was there. About 3 days after, I got a call that somebody interested for me to come to the Cayman Islands. So I said, I could have would that know. So them said the person will call me. I bleached 2 days.
No.
Every look I look on the phone, I can't see no strange number and call me. So I said, you know, I'm going to fix things. And I went out by St. Thomas to do a show. And believe kill. And believe cure. And I went out there and I met a man and he said, somebody if you call you and I'm not calling you. And I said, oh, you know. He said, don't worry yourself, man. By you reach a Kingston, you're going to get the call. And lo and behold, Chris called. So you see, believe kill and believe cure. Because St. Thomas, I'm not telling you what I'm going to do. You're not faithful. God was in control.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Chris, so thank you again for the opportunity. And you see next time you have fly me in, Chris. Coach.
Yeah?
Not my style.
Really?
First class, I did well in school.
First class.
They come also feel like I deport you come into the I back I play and put me
You put you near to the toilet?
near to the toilet. And I asked the air hostess, I said, excuse me, can I like go in the middle because some little seat there. She said, what happened? I said, I don't like the toilet seat. She said, sorry about that, son. Shit happens.
Shit happened.
Wanna have a good night? Tomorrow, Saturday, we'll be here again, alright?
Yo, hold on, stop it there, stop it there. The last time you see Pretty Boy Floyde in Florida. You remember that show? Florida, I believe, you can't. Anyway, you don't have Port Island here in Miami and Miramar, you can talk to me. And there's something there.
You're Jamaican though.
Yes, man.
You know, long me I look for me city and look for me come see it. A long time I look for me city. What's my city on the city done shirt?
Oh my God.
I wanted to be the song.
That's a big up to the Pretty Boy Floyde.